Unlocking the mystery of daily interest rates. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to demystify an important financial concept that touches our lives in more ways than we might think. Daily interest rates. Whether it's saving money in a bank account or taking out a loan, understanding how daily interest rates work can help you make smarter financial decisions. So, let's dive in and unravel the secrets behind this crucial term. Daily interest rates refer to the amount of interest that accrues on a loan or investment each day. Unlike annual rates, which provide a yearly picture, daily rates break down how much you earn or owe on a day-to-day basis. This concept is key in understanding how your savings grow or how your loan costs accumulate over time. The calculation of daily interest rates usually involves three main components. The principal. This is the initial amount of money saved, invested, or borrowed. The annual interest rate, expressed as a percentage, this rate determines the total interest over a year. The number of days in a year. Typically, this is either 365 or 366 for leap years. The formula looks something like this. Daily interest equals principal times annual interest rate, number of days in a year. This formula helps you understand exactly how much interest accumulates each day. Daily interest rates can significantly affect your finances, especially over long periods. For savers and investors, it means your money can grow faster thanks to the power of compounding interest. For borrowers, it means understanding how daily rates can affect the total cost of your loan, allowing you to plan payments more effectively and potentially save money by paying off loans earlier than scheduled. Let's look at a couple of examples to see daily interest rates in action. Savings account. If you have $1,000 in a savings account with an annual interest rate of 5%, the daily interest would be calculated as $1,000 times 0.05, 365, resulting in a daily accrual of approximately 14 cents. Loan. For a loan of $10,000 with an annual interest rate of 7%, the daily interest would be $10,000 times 0.07, 365, equating to about $1.92 per day. These examples show how knowing your daily interest rate can help manage and grow your finances more effectively. Understanding daily interest rates is a powerful tool in your financial toolkit, helping you make informed decisions whether you're saving, investing, or borrowing. We hope this video has shed light on how daily interest rates work and why they matter. Remember, every day counts when it comes to your finances. Thank you for watching, and here's to making your money work smarter for you.